Guys, all right, welcome back. This is a Nucleus Core. Nucleus Core is a mining project. Okay, it's a very good project. It came out new, just few days. It came out. Are you getting it? So I'm introducing this project to you guys to run with it. No dull moments. Don't waste time. Download the app on Play Store. Those using apps, iPhone, the mining app will be available in few days to come on App Store. Okay, but for Android users, you can download the app, the Nucleus Core app, on the on your Play Store. I'm going to drop the link in the comment section, okay, so that you can download it, and I'm going to drop a guide on how to register on this airdrop. Please don't waste time, don't procrastinate. Let me briefly show you how to go about this airdrop. Okay, once you have successfully registered, your interface is going to be the same with mine. You see my own interface. Okay, so what do? You come you come to mine here, click on mine. Are you getting it? As soon as you click on mine, I've activated my own. So as soon as we click on mine, okay, see it, I've activated mine. Every 24 hours you come here and activate it. Can you see that it's mining? Are you getting it? Good and fine. Then after that, just try to navigate around the app. You check out here what is here, check out what is there. Let's click on start. Be able to get a vivid information. Okay, so don't forget to invite people. Share the link with your friends. Okay, they say invite more. Okay, I don't have any referral yet. I just sign up now, so don't sleep over this project. So after that, you check on stage. Okay, check on profile also. Let's check one after another. Click on stage. Let's see what is there. Okay, can you see what you said? They said active miners mine nuclear NU daily to prove your activeness. Are you seeing it? Okay, you can read down. You can read all of this to get more understanding. Now check out here. It says networker. Check out the information. It said bring in people to mine and you using your link. So share your link with your friends. Are you getting it? Okay, you can become an ambassador to them also. Become a Nucleus Core partner. Become an ambassador to them. So it's a testnet airdrop also. Can you see the reason why I say it's an active node? Run your own Nucleus Core chain node. So it's a testnet airdrop, mining airdrop. So guys, don't sleep over it. She says become NCC developer. So that is it. Let's go to the next stage. Let's check out the profile here. What is here? I just started how this thing is. As I'm mining it, as I'm mining it, to be getting BTC in small fractions. So that is it. Thank you so much. Are you getting? So don't sleep over this information, please. So that is it. You can come here and copy your referral link there. Thank you so much, guys. Subscribe, share, and like.